more often than not, it's an insurance broker. So you could also reach out to the broker and say, hey, this person's about to perform work on my house. They gave me this COI. Can you confirm what the coverages are and aren't? And I think that's an interesting segue into, I mean, you're thinking about the homeowner, which is great. We think a lot of the times about the small business that calls us.
Right.
And so from the small business's perspective, it's also very interesting because the GC, right? Let's say we represent the GC, and very often their insurance policy is not covering the things that it needs to cover for the work that they're doing, which is what Aubrey just touched on. And you're like, how do you protect that? And so you should really be having conversations with the brokers in writing, preferably, because then you could potentially go after their insurance if they screw up.
Right.
Saying, this is what I do. This is what I need coverage for. Because later, if it turns out that you don't have coverage, now they're suing you directly. And for a lot of claims, I mean, those get really expensive. Let's say you helped build a new house, and it's $1 million house,
right,
and some tiny window that you installed is leaking. Well, they're suing you for $1 million. Their whole house sucks because your window sucks, right?
Right.
And now you look at your policy, 2 years later that you get this claim, not, a week when you got the policy, and it says, we are excluding new house construction. And you're like, I had no idea. Well, guess who's getting sued? You are now.